Home Show.
Wesley from Kingwood has a question about roofing lifespan.
Yeah, Tom, he says his needs replacing, or he wonders if it does. Wesley writes to us, is there an age limit on cement-type tile roofs in the Kingwood, Houston area? My house was built in the late 70s and the roof was not leaking. So why would the insurance company say the tile roof on the house needs to be replaced? Who would you recommend I call on something like this, Tom?
Well, first off, I would like to know why they said it. And so I would ask them why. Not that it has to be replaced, but I would ask them why. Get it in writing, because those roofs can last 50, 60 years. Now, if I find out it's because it's overlaid on a wood shingle roof, and that's what they're getting at, then it has nothing to do about his roofing. It has a lot to do with what it's on. So that, to me, would be my first intuition, is you have an overlay, and that was done a lot with really high-quality roof on a wood shingle deck. People said it was okay. They did it back in the 70s and early 80s. Now, if an insurance company sees an overlay roof, they will not insure the house. It all has to come off. But as far as the tile roof itself, I don't understand why, because it shouldn't be because of a tile roof. That's what concerns me. There's something else that's missing. And once in a while I get a question like this and I don't get all the information. So I don't know, but I do think that's probably what it is. But if I was that person and if I was talking to them right now and he couldn't answer that, I would say, well, call them back and you want to know why, have them write it down so you're clear on it. And that way you'll have a better understanding. And then someone can answer another question. But the bottom line is this. No matter what I say, no matter what anybody else says, if your insurance company says we're going to drop you because of this, if you don't do that,
get busy.
There's nothing you can do, but because of this, you got to do that. I don't know what else to tell you except call a different insurance company and say, hey, I'll take my business elsewhere. So you can get all the opinions you want, but you need to find out why, because something doesn't smell right with the way the question was asked.
Yeah, there's something, I can hear you, there's something missing. But yeah, so good rule for living there, Tom. You know, if the insurance company says they're going to drop you, you should do what they're asking you to do in order to not be dropped. All right, you got a question? What are the odds of getting an answer? 100%. If you go and visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we will answer it for you. Just, you can send us a video, you can send us pictures. Just go ahead and tell us the whole situation, and we'll give you a whole answer. And we'll post your video. Tom answers one every day, so we post them every day at HomeShowRadio.com and on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel.